Hello FMG, today we are going to see surgery one-liners. What is the percentage of body surface area involved in head and face bone? 9%. Burst abdomen occurs most common which day, 7th day. Ciliolithiasis is most common seen in which gland? Submandibular gland. Another term of Petty's mastectomy is modified radical mastectomy. Best time for orchidopexy is before 12 months. Most common nerve damage during hernia repair is iliolingual. Hager sign is seen in trauma to spleen. Pressure in laparoscopy is 12 to 14 mmHg. Most common site of direct hernia is SL batch triangle. Investigation of a hypertrophic pyloric stenosis is USG. Treatment of contaminated wound of leg, derminant and antibiotics. Most common benign salivary glands tumor, philomorphic adenoma. Coccus peculiar tumor is chronic infection of sebaceous cyst. Most important diagnostic feature of congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis is non-bilious vomiting. X-ray abdomen showing multiple fluid levels. Investigation of choice for hypertrophic pyloric stenosis is USG. Treatment of contaminated wound of leg is debridement and antibiotics. Most common benign salivary gland is philomorphic adenoma. Cox peculiar tumor is chronic infection of sebaceous cyst. Most important diagnostic feature of congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis is non-bilious vomiting. X-ray abdomen showing multiple fluid level is interstitial obstructions. Monro's disease is thrombophlebitis of superficials of veins of breast. Most common type of CA breast in man is infiltrating ductal CA. Most common anal carcinoma is squamous cell CA. Investigation of a choice of for Zenka's diverticulum is barium sallow. Blunt trauma chest, first step is managed after resection is X-ray chest. Source of hemorrhagic after thyroidectomy is the superior thyroid artery. Damping syndrome is due to presence of hypertonic content in a small intestine. Treatment of benign tumor of parotid is superficial paroidectomy. Pulled up caecum is seen in iliocaecal TB. Linitis plastica is a type of stomach CA. First successful liver transplantation was done by Thomas Strauss J. Best test for achalasia cardia is barium sallow. Dysphagia lucidia is caused by vascular anomaly. Most appropriate investigation for recurrent anal fistula is MRI. Test is at superficial lingual ring by Watt intrauterine period 8 months. Diagnosis of anal fissura is clinical examination. Diagnosis of 70-year-old male with bleeding from proximal colon is CA colon. Pain in left hypochondrium with vomiting, diarrhea, melena and weight loss. Diagnosis Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. Most common site of venous ulcer is lower 1/3 leg and ankle. Cleft plate is ideally repaired at 1 year of age. Hellas operation done for achalasia cardia. Peripheral aneurysm is most common in popliteal artery. Reduction in signs and vascularity prior to thyroidectomy is best possible by iodides. Location of aganglionic segment with respect to dilated segment in case of Buerger's disease. Distal to dilated segment. Use of Fugate 3 catheter is embolectomy. Corkscrew esophagus is seen in diffuse esophageal spasm. Colidiacal cyst is dilatation of bile duct. Investigation done in case of newborn with inability to pass stool is in metrogram. Best age for treatment of undescended testis is 12 months. Obstruction and dilatation of large intestine in absence of any mechanical obstruction is Oligieve syndrome. Investigation choice of thyroid nodule with increased area isotope uptake is FNAC. Tendency of colonic carcinoma to metastasize best assessed by depth of penetration of bowel wall. Defined intersubstations is outer layer. Thyroid tumor related to radiation exposed is papillary. Which of the thyroid tumor produce hormone? Medullary. Excellent prognosis for which thyroid hormone? Papillary. Follicular carcinoma spreads by blood. Which thyroid tumor shows angio invasion? Follicular. Which thyroid tumor metastasizes to bone? Follicular. Which thyroid tumor presents with thyroid swelling and lymph nodes? Papillary. Investigation of choice for follicular carcinoma is frozen section. Which thyroid tumor is difficult to diagnose clinically? Medullary. Poorly differentiated cells are seen in microscopy of which thyroid tumor? Anaplastic. Least common type of thyroid tumor is medullary. Which thyroid tumor can be familial medullary? Which thyroid tumor presents with thyroid swelling, local fixity, stridor, anaplastic? Thyroid tumor with rapidly growing vascular pulsatile swelling, commonly in scarlet follicular. Thyroid tumor presenting as harshness of voice indicates infiltration which structure, recurrent laryngeal nerve. First investigation for carcinoma breast FNAC. Best and diagnostic investigation for carcinoma breast biopsy. Most common type of breast cancer is invasive ductal carcinoma. Initial investigation for symptomatic breast lump in 35 years mammography. Gold standard for imaging breast in females with implants MRI. Views obtained in mammography, tube views, craniocaudal and mediolateral views. Microclassification, a feature of DCIS, is the best seen in which imaging modality mammography. Tumors of the posterior one-third of breast are mostly like to train to which nodes internal mammary. Long-term survival approaches 100% in which type of invasive breast cancer. Tubular tamoxifen used for breast cancer carcinoma can cause which tumor? Endometrial cancer. Which nerve is commonly injured while operating for the carcinoma breast? Long thoracic nerve. Diagnosis of breast carcinoma in pregnancy is done by USG and needle biopsy. Treatment of Mondr's disease is non-steroids. Most common site of metastasis from papillary carcinoma of thyroid is lungs. Most mode of spread on anaplastic carcinoma is direct. Nature of bony metastasis in medullary carcinoma of thyroid, osteoblastic. Hurthle cell carcinoma is a variant of which type of tumor? Follicular. Hiller cholangiocarcinoma is known as calcitic tumor. Duodenal atresia is commonly associated with the syndrome Down syndrome. Triple bubble sign is seen in jejunal atresia. Location of internal hemorrhoids related to denator line, proximal to denator line. Most common indication of sympathoectomy, ischemia disorders of the limbs. Most common indication of splenectomy, ischemia disorders of the limbs. Cystic swelling in the floor of mouth that resembles a frog belly, ranula. Renal collar is formed by which vessels? Left renal vein. Most common cause of small bowel obstruction is adhesions. Iodine 131 commonly emits which X-rays? Beta 90%. Location of BRCA2 gene is on chromosome is 13. Most common site of gastric ulcer is lesser curvature along the incisura angularis. Management of appendicitis in pregnancy is early appendectomy. Risk of OPSI is greater in which age group? 4 years. Most common cause of uncomplicated cystic failure and pyelonephritis E. coli. Testicular tumor which breast prognosis? Yolk sac tumor. Initial treatment of pneumothorax is simple needle aspiration. Most radiosensitive phase of cell cycles G2M. Hypotension associated with eye spinal injury can be treated with phenylephrine. Carbonic is caused by which organism? Staph aureus. Pulmonary capillary wedge pressure in indicator of left ventricular function. Most distinctive tumors in neurofibromatosis 2 bilateral caustic neuroma. Diagnosis of basal cell carcinoma is done by wedge biopsy. Pancoast tumor is related to which tumor? Apical lung CA. Most common complication of abdominal aorta and aneurysm is rupture. Investigation of choice for renal injuries is CT scan. Most common cause of ilioperforation in India? Typhoid. Strychnos medium is employed for H. pylori. Most common symptom of carcinoma esophagus is dysphagia. Best investigation for acute pancreatitis CT scan. Treatment of choice for variceal bleeding is EVL, endoscopic variceal ligation. Most common primary liver malignancy is hepatocellular CA. Absolute contraindicated for radioactive iodine therapy for Graves' disease with pregnancy and lactation. Most malignant type of carcinoma breast is inflammatory breast cancer. Signs seen in MR cholangiography CBD stone is meniscus sign. Most common location of appendicular carcinoid is tip of appendix. 80% of gallstones contains what substance? Cholesterol. Likely diagnosis of adult male presenting with a gradually increased dysphagia, morphosalis, arrestness of voice, palpable cervical lymphadenopathy, malignant structure of esophagus. Fibroadenoma is commonly seen in which age group? Young females. Investigation of choice for men presenting with head injury, plain CT. Hilton method is best used in which condition? Breast abscess. Likely diagnosis of cause of dysphagia, who can take liquids with history of smoking and weight loss, carcinoma esophagus. Charcot triad is seen in cholangioitis. Most common type site of carcinoma stomach is antrum. Patient developed pain in left shoulder while undergoing laparoscopic procedure is due to subdiaphragm migration of gas. Likely diagnosis of 18-year-old female presenting with itchy erythema and swelling of toe every winter season is chill blinds. Richard's hernia is commonly related to which type of hernia? Femoral hernia. Richard's hernia is commonly related to which type of hernia? Femoral hernia. A 16-year-old female has abdominal lump that is movable and painless upon exploratory laparotomy. A cystic mass is found arising from mesentery. Likely diagnosis is mesenteric cyst. Diagnosis test for the cause of acute pancreatitis is serum amylase. 60-year-old male has colic abdominal pain, hyperpyrelistic abdominal sounds and hair in biliary tree. Most likely diagnosis is gallstone ileus. Surgery for umbilical hernia in newborn should be ideally done at what time? 2 years. Pregal maneuver is clamping of which vessels? Portal triad. A young male presented with scrotal swelling since 3 years. On examination of located swelling which is not separately flat, there is no ST trauma of fever. Most likely diagnosis is vaginal hydrocele. Gold standard flap for breast reconstruction is tram flap. A 10-year-old male had smooth swelling near superficial inguinal ring which moves downward when the testicle is pulled downward. Most likely diagnosis is encetic hydrocele. Intraoperative cholangiography is done in which condition? High lipase level. Weger's disease is also known as thromboangiitis obliterans. Highly specific test for chronic pancreatitis is secretory stimulation test. Blood is collected in which part of the skull is subacromial hemorrhages basal cistern. Red currant jelly stools are seen in intersubstation. Mondus disease affects which part of the body is breast. Most common type of trachea is esophageal fistula, atresia with fistula of distal end with trachea. Fluid used in TRP glycine. Confirmatory investigation for acute pancreatitis is serum lipase. Most common organ to rupture in blunt trauma abdomen is spleen. Sensitive investigation in blunt trauma abdomen is fast. Common causative organism of cellulitis is Streptococcus. Likely diagnosis of case of massive blood per rectum is diverticulosis. Investigation for choice for blunt trauma abdomen is fast. Most common organism causing peritonitis is E. coli. In paracetamol poisoning, earliest indication of doing liver transplantation is increase in prothrombic time. Decreased breast lump which tenderness over entire breast is 18-year-old female is most likely to be fibroadenoma. Exposed method is used for managing burns on which part of the body, head and neck. Late death in bones is due to sepsis. Best guided to dedicated tissue perfusion in fluid management of the patient with burns is ensure minimum hourly urine output of 30 to 50 ml. Most common cause of death due to burns in early period hypovolemic shock. Histology of tumor arising from bone scar is commerce. Most common cause of death in patients with Buerger's disease is myocardial infarction. Treatment of hyperhidrosis is sympathectomy. Most common cause of peripheral limb ischemia, atherosclerosis, thromboembolism after pelvic surgery usually arise from which vessels? Femoral. Treatment of acute femoral embolism, immediate embolectomy. Vessels commonly involve thromboangiitis obliterates anterior and posterior tibial. Most common cause of acute anterior venous fistula is penetrating trauma. Pseudocalcination may be caused by lumbar canal stenosis. Best material for below inguinal arterial graft is Cephenius venous graft upside down. Most important perforator of lower limb is between which veins? Long saphenous and femoral veins. Most common vein to get thrombosed is posterior tibial. Most common cause of superficial thrombophlebitis is intravenous catheters infusions. Cownoid's segmental nomenclature is based on which set of the veins? Hepatic and portal vein. Most common cystic of spleen is iodide cyst. Triad of jaundice, chills, fevers occurs in which contains CBD stones. Gram-Cole test refers to oral cholecystography. After laparoscopic cholecystectomy, biliary stricture develops in which part of the common bile duct? Upper. Most common cause of chronic pancreatitis is alcohol. Best time to operate on undescended testis is 1 year. Investigation not done intratesticular tumors is FNAC biopsy. Cause of hydrocele in infants is patent process vaginalis. Commonest late complication of traumatic rupture of urethra stricture. In Mallory-Weiss syndrome, location of mucosal tear is gastroesophageal junction. Investigation of choice for reflux esophageal 24 hours acid output. Commonest cause of hematosis on melena is chronic peptic ulcer. Most common complication of icteritis hernia is esophagitis. Early stage of carcinoma esophagus is diagnosed by barium 8. Curling ulcers is seen in bones. Most common site of carcinoma stomach is lesser curvature. Hourglass stomach is seen in gastric ulcer. What complication commonly occurs in anterior duodenal ulcer perforation? In highly selective vagotomy, the vagal supply is served with to which part? Antrum. Gastrotomy is opening of the stomach. Next, investigation of air in peritoneal cavities, X-ray, abdomen, erect view. Burst abdomen after laparotomy occurs after how many days? 7 to 10 days. Stretching of small intestine is inner absorbable and outer non-absorbable. Most frequent congenital anomaly of GIT is Meckel's diverticulum. Defined intersubstitutions is the outer layer. Most common esophageal perforation at the site of circumpharynx is iatrogenic. Flap commonly used in breast reconstruction is transverse rectus abdominis myocutaneous. Most common cause of duodenal obstruction in adults, CA pancreas. Most common cause of small intestine obstruction is adhesions. Most common size of squamous cell carcinoma of esophagus, middle 1/3. A recently delivered lady developed ingrown shiny mass under nipple. She has also had fever. Most likely diagnosis breast abscess. One of the best fluid for burn portion is Hartmann solution. Surgical procedure for ductal ectasia microdectomy. Which suture is commonly affected? Hormones disease is ureter. Most common cause of acute abdomen young girl, acute appendicitis. Most common cause of pyogenic liver abscess is stricture of CBD. Which part of the lung is commonly affected in foreign body aspiration is supine position A, apical part of the lower lobe. Management of the periductal mastitis, Hatfield operation. Location of Curling's ulcer. Surgeon textbook says duodenum. Pain of appendix at both sides will refer to suprapubic region, pre-iliac. Decubitus ulcer is which type of ulcer? Trophic ulcer. Which surgical procedure can cause maximum reduction in body weight? Roxanne EANY gastric bypass. Which organism commonly cause breast abscess? Staphylococcus aureus. Location of erectile perforation, myed thigh. Which nerve mediated pain for external hemorrhoids while passing stools? Spinal nerve. Caecum forms posterior wall of which type of hernias? Lingding hernia. Posterior duodenal ulcer is related to which vessel? Gastroduodenal artery. Position of patients while treating pilonidal sinuses, jackknife. What is the length of fixable sigmoidoscopy? 60 cm. Refractory hemorrhage occurs within 24 hours of surgery. Which type of breast carcinoma can be bilateral invasive lobular? Surgical procedure of fissura in an anolateral sphincterectomy. Which type of hernia is common in children? Umbilical. Charcot's pride is in which condition? Cholangitis. Expression of which receptor breast carcinoma makes hormonal therapy useful? Estrogen receptor. Ceton used in fistula in ano surgery is draining ceton and cutting ceton. Best surgical approach in thoracic trauma is anolateral thoracotomy. Steroids injuries to wound when given at what time? 2 weeks. Ferran sign is seen in testicular torsion. Most common tumor of parotid is pleomorphic adenoma. Radionuclide used in treatment of well-differentiated thyroid carcinoma is iodine 131. Treatment of choice of squamous cells CA, chemoradiotherapy. Dacron graft is textile synthetic. In breast tumor, supraclavic lymph node involvement in what stage? 3rd stage. Sentinel lymph node is carcinoma. Breast is done in